Let's see how to create our controller. So we know we have our controller is app directory under HTTP controllers and controller. This controller is the base controller, and that the controller that we will create will have all the functionality that the base controller is provide. So we have to extend the our controller to base controller. So how we can create a simple controller? Let's jump to our terminal and make sure that you are in your project directory, and the command that we will use the php artisan make and controller, the name of the controller, the test controller, and see that we hit enter and the controller is test controller is created. Now this controller is extends the base controller, you see, and this controller that we have created, it will all have all the functionality that the base controller provide of the Laravel. And let's quickly create a public method, public function index, and return a string, a test string. And to access, let's create our route, get route, and now we can give. Now this time we will not use our closure function, and we will give the controller, which is test controller at sign the index method, and you can name it this route to user or anything else. And let's access this route, and we can see hit enter, and test string that is returned from our test controller is now we are accessing. And you can, let's check the route, php artisan route list, and see the online on HTTP controller test controller at the index with the web middleware is created. And we can create our routes in any directory. So we can create our directory under controller, and you can specify your routes. So if you want to create a route for admin panel and make a directory of admin, and the new route will be created, you will create the new route under that, and the far front end you can create your directory right here. And we can see into our terminal php artisan make controller. Now this time we will create our directory admin. Under that admin we will create our controller admin controller, and hit enter. So you can see the admin directory under controller directory is created, and we have our admin controller.